We are losing our children. Malcolm once said that armed with the knowledge of our past, we can with confidence charter a course for our future. We must embrace our past in order to understand our legacy and purpose in the world. We need rites of passage programs now more than ever before. My name is Ron Spears, and I'm a spoken word poet who they call the storyteller, and I have written a memoir called Sankofa. I will take you on a poetic journey of African rites of passage, including my privilege of sharing in this experience with boys and girls from my hometown of Detroit, as we travel to Africa for a manhood and womanhood training ritual on 5 different occasions. The plight of African Americans is full of triumph and tragedy in the past as well as the present. Sankofa, the title of this memoir and my rites of passage curriculum, is an Akan word which means to return to the past in order to go forward. In traditional African culture, there are 4 major stages in everyone's life: birth, rites of passage, marriage, and death. As African Americans, both family and community gather together to celebrate the birth of a child through christenings, attend wedding ceremonies, and funerals to show love, support, and recognition of these significant stages of life. The missing element in African American culture is the formal and structured ritual celebrating each child's passage into manhood and womanhood. This very significant stage prepares young boys and girls for the responsibilities and challenges they will face as adults, culminated by a formal celebration sponsored by the family and community. The final chapter focuses on how to develop an effective rites of passage program so that you can start such a program wherever you are. This chapter includes an overview of rites of passage, how to organize and structure your program, sample activities to conduct with boys and girls, an implementation guide, and frequently asked questions. Sankofa is available via my website for just $7 as an ebook or $12 as a DVD, which includes powerful images from all my trips to Africa and empowering poetry videos that can be shared with children. I will give you the ebook for free if you decide to personalize my poetry videos to serve as your customized rites of passage curriculum. Specifically, you can send us pictures of your family, organization, members, and students to be integrated into the videos. Your family, organization, or program name will be branded into the videos as part of this customized curriculum priced at $99. Through my company, The Knowledge Group, we've started rites of passage programs or sold our curriculum to schools, parents, churches, community organizations, and individual knowledge seekers who want to learn or teach others about this empowering self-knowledge. If the mission of your organization or your purpose in life is to empower and uplift African Americans to achieve success, then a partnership with The Knowledge Group will enable you to immediately begin transforming lives. Buy this memoir and curriculum to let the transformation process begin.